Fall mantle. Transform fireplace. As the crisp autumn air begins to fill our homes and the leaves outside turn shades of amber, gold, and crimson, there's no better time to embrace the cozy vibes of fall by transforming your mantle. Your fireplace is often the heart of the living room, and decorating it for the season can create a warm, inviting space that makes everyone feel right at home. From rustic touches to elegant displays, fall mantle decor is the perfect way to celebrate the charm of the season and give your living space that autumnal glow. The key to a stunning fall mantle is embracing nature's bounty. Think vibrant pumpkins, textured gourds, dried wheat stalks, and rich fall foliage. Layering these elements adds depth and visual interest. Start with a base of greenery, eucalyptus or faux autumn leaves work beautifully, and build upon it with pumpkins in varying sizes and colors. For a touch of elegance, mix in metallic accents like gold or copper candle holders. Combining textures, colors, and materials ensures your mantle feels thoughtfully curated while remaining visually cozy. Consider incorporating personal touches to make your fall mantle unique. Family heirlooms, vintage vases, or framed autumn-themed artwork can bring in a nostalgic feel. Adding natural materials like wood or woven baskets adds a rustic touch that ties the entire look together. You can also place a cozy throw or some plush pillows nearby to enhance the overall ambience of warmth and comfort. Remember, decorating your mantle for fall should be fun and personal, so let your creativity guide you. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to elevate your mantle decor is by playing with height and texture. Tall, slim candlesticks paired with shorter, rounded pumpkins create a sense of balance and harmony. You can also use books as risers to add height where needed or include framed art in autumnal tones. This layering technique gives your mantle an effortless, curated look without it feeling too staged or formal. Don't forget to introduce a variety of textures. Think soft fabrics like velvet pumpkins, rustic wood accents, or shiny metallics for a subtle modern twist. Texture creates a tactile experience that enhances the coziness of your mantel and adds to its visual richness. Plus, it helps to keep things interesting and dynamic as the light of your fireplace or flickering candles dances across these different surfaces. If you're enjoying this fall decorating guide, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below about your favorite fall decor idea. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps create more content tailored to your tastes. Now let's continue exploring some creative mantel decorating ideas to make your home feel like fall in full bloom. Nothing says fall like the warm glow of candlelight on a chilly evening. Incorporate various candles, whether they're real or LED, for that added cozy charm. Pillar candles in staggered heights create a stunning focal point, while small tea lights or votive candles add a twinkling effect. You can also drape a set of string lights across your mantel for an added magical touch. String lights in warm white or soft amber tones perfectly capture that autumnal glow, creating a dreamy atmosphere that is both festive and inviting. Nature is undoubtedly the star of fall decor. Incorporating seasonal elements like pine cones, acorns, or dried flowers is an easy way to bring the outdoors in. You can even add a few branches of brightly colored fall leaves for a truly authentic look. These small natural elements scattered across the mantel or arranged in vases provide an earthy vibe that pairs beautifully with your other fall decorations. The organic shapes of these items also soften the overall design and bring in that quintessential autumn feel. To cap off your mantel masterpiece, consider hanging a wreath as the crowning touch. A wreath full of dried flowers, wheat, or autumnal leaves is the perfect fall statement piece. You can center it directly above the mantel or hang it slightly off-center for a more casual, laid-back feel. Either way, it adds an extra dimension to the space and draws the eye upward, completing your cozy fall transformation. Finally, don't be afraid to personalize your mantel. Maybe it's with an initialed pumpkin, a framed family photo, or a custom sign with a heartfelt autumnal greeting. Adding these personal accents ensures that your mantel not only reflects the beauty of the season, but also tells your story.